Ever wondered how artificial intelligence is reshaping the way we explore space? Well, let's explore together. AI, our silicon-based sidekick, is increasingly becoming a critical crew member on space missions. It's navigating rovers on alien terrains, analyzing cosmic data in real time, and even helping to detect signs of extraterrestrial life. These are not sci-fi fantasies but tangible realities of today's space exploration. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, AI becomes not just an ally, but a necessity. The application of AI in recent missions has been nothing short of revolutionary. Take for instance NASA's Viper rover, a prime example of AI's growing role in space exploration. Viper is equipped with Sherpa, an AI system designed to facilitate navigation and risk assessment on the moon's surface. This autonomous driving feature allows Viper to traverse the lunar terrain, overcoming obstacles and hazards and making real-time decisions on the most efficient route to take. Across the pond, the European Space Agency is also harnessing the power of AI for autonomous navigation. They're pioneering a hive learning approach where multiple AI systems work together, sharing data and learning from each other's experiences. This collaborative AI approach is not only increasing efficiency but also reducing risk, as the systems can learn from any errors made. In essence, AI's role in space missions has expanded, making it an indispensable tool in our cosmic toolbox. It's not just the space agencies taking a leap into the future. Silicon Valley giants like Intel, IBM, and Google are joining hands with NASA, bringing their expertise in AI to the table. These collaborations are not just about making smarter gadgets or more efficient systems. They're about designing the future of space exploration. Take, for instance, NASA's partnership with Google. Together, they're using machine learning algorithms to sift through the vast amounts of data collected by Kepler's Space Telescope, identifying potentially habitable planets far beyond our solar system. Then there's IBM, lending its AI prowess to optimize the performance of space missions, right from launch to landing. And Intel? They're working on advanced AI systems to help rovers navigate the treacherous terrains of alien worlds autonomously. Over in Europe, the European Space Agency's Hera mission is utilizing AI for self-driving navigation through space. These collaborations are a testament to how AI is revolutionizing our approach to space exploration. AI's potential in space exploration is as boundless as the cosmos itself. As we gaze outwards to the farthest reaches of our solar system, we envision autonomous robots venturing into uncharted territories. Picture this: a robotic explorer navigating the icy surface of Jupiter's moon, Europa, or delving into the mysterious lava tubes of Mars. These harsh environments, too extreme for human explorers, may soon be within our understanding thanks to AI. But the role of AI extends beyond lone robotic explorers. It's about fostering a partnership between humans and robots. Imagine astronauts working alongside AI-powered robotic counterparts, each complementing the other's abilities. The human's capacity for creativity and decision-making, paired with the robot's precision and resilience, creates a team that's more than the sum of its parts. The future of space exploration is not just human or robotic, but a fusion of both, powered by AI. The implications of AI in space exploration are as profound as they are exciting. As our cosmic companion, artificial intelligence promises to revolutionize our journey into the cosmos. By increasing efficiency and safety, AI allows us to delve deeper into the unknown than ever before. It enables autonomous robots to traverse treacherous terrains on distant planets, collecting valuable data without risking human lives. It empowers us to process vast amounts of space data, unveiling cosmic secrets that were previously beyond our grasp. But perhaps the most significant impact of AI is its potential to extend our reach into the universe. By automating complex tasks and making real-time decisions, AI can take us to places where humans have yet to set foot. The role of AI in space exploration is not just about reaching new frontiers, but about reshaping our understanding of the universe. As we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration, what role do you see for AI? Ponder over this. The fusion of artificial intelligence with space exploration is not just a possibility, it's a reality in the making. It's an exciting journey that's going to redefine our future, opening up avenues of discovery we've only dreamt of. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more discussions on how technology is reshaping our world.